students, now I will teach you chapter number 6. Okay, so I think students, you all of you understand chapter number 3 and 4. Okay, because chapter number 3 and 4 I already gave you the question and answers of chapter number 3 and 4. Okay, question answers, revision questions, many type of questions I already gave you from chapter number 3 and 4. Okay, so you have in your exam that is chapter 3 and 4. Okay, but as the exam is 1 month later, okay, so I think, but as there is no exam now, so I think I have to complete my syllabus. So now I'll teach you the chapter number 5. Okay, that is Janapada and Mahajanapada. Okay, that is Janapada and who are Mahajanapadas, Indian subcontinent in the 6th century BC. Okay, so here in this chapter you find about Janapada and the Mahajanapadas. Okay, in this point, in this page, you can find that in ancient India, areas larger than village were known as Jana. Okay, small kingdoms were formed centering the Jana. Okay, so what is Jana? No, areas larger than village known as Jana, and small kingdoms which were centering that village also known as Jana. Okay, so the village areas in ancient India which is larger than the village areas, that areas in the ancient time were known as Jana. Okay, and the small kingdoms used to form centering the Jana. Understand? Then in the next line you can find the term Janapada has come from the word Jana. Okay, so here it is telling that in this line that the term, the word Janapada is come from the word Jana. Okay, from another perspective, the region where common people lived was known as Janapada. Okay, so first thing what it's telling here in this point, that in ancient time people used to live in a area which is larger than the village, and that area used to call as Jana, and many small kingdoms used to form centering that area of the village. Now it was telling about the word Janapada. Janapada, the word was coming from the word Jana. Okay, and what is Janapada? Janapada word was coming from the word Jana, and what do you mean by Janapada? That the region which centering the region where common people used to live, that area is called Janapada. Means you know what is Jana, that the area larger than village is Jana, and when the people used to live in that area, that region, when the common people used to live in that area, in that region, then that area is called as Janapada. Okay, so in other words, the place where people or Janagon placed their food known as Janapada. So in other words, when we can also call that the place where people or the Janagon placed their food used to live there is known as Janapada. Okay, so I think you understand these two words, that what is Jana and what is Janapada. When people began to settle down permanently on that certain area or land, then that land becomes Janapada. Okay, so I think you understand that what is Jana and what is Janapada. first then you can find in this line that at the beginning of 6th century we come to know of such areas or Janapadas in the Indian subcontinent. So about these areas which is larger than village where people used to live, about the Janapadas we come to know at the beginning about that in the time of 6th century BC. Okay, so often such area or Janapadas known by the names of rulers. Okay, so that area, that Janapada areas or that areas which is larger than village where people used to live, that area is known by the name of the rulers, name of the kings. Okay, so later bigger kingdoms emerged centering around such areas. So later centering that areas, bigger kingdoms used to grow up there in that areas. Bigger kingdoms used to grow up there in that areas which is larger than village. Their bigger kingdoms were grow up, and that areas were known by the name of the rulers or the kings. So archaeologists have found evidence of such Janapada in certain regions of the Indian subcontinent. So archaeologists find that evidence of such larger areas which is larger than village where kings used to live, where bigger kingdoms were there, where Janapadas were there, that type of areas archaeologists found evidence in the 6th century BC. Okay, so gradually such Janapadas were like Magadha. One of the kingdom was Magadha kingdom, which was transformed into Mahajanapadas. Okay, so these are the things which tell in this point 5.1 point, that what is Janapada, who used to live in that areas, and how it becomes Mahajanapadas. How Janapada become Mahajanapada? Now when kings used to live that areas, in that areas which is larger than village, then that areas were taken by the kings, by the rulers. Okay, bigger kingdoms were made in that areas. Okay, so such areas which was taken by the kings or by the rulers or bigger kingdoms were made in such areas. Okay, so that area is later transformed into Mahajanapadas. Okay, so these are the things told in this point, that what is Jana, what is Mahajanapada, and how it transformed into Mahajanapadas. Okay, so I think you understand this point 5.1 point of this chapter. And now you come to this page, that is around 6th century BC Mahajanapadas began to such areas which is larger than village, Janapadas began to increase. Okay, ruler of the Janapadas, individual rulers of the Janapadas found battles to expand such areas. Okay, some of the smaller areas or Janapadas were transformed into bigger area or bigger kingdoms. These bigger kingdoms is later known as Mahajanapadas. These were larger in area and in power than the Janapadas. So Mahajanapadas is larger in area or larger in area. These are bigger kingdoms, Mahajanapadas, and Mahajanapada is having more area or more power than the Janapadas. Okay, so ruler of the Mahajanapadas were much powerful than the Vedic kings. they collect more treasure, and by using that treasure they try to increase their influence. So the kings of Mahajanapadas were much powerful, so they used to collect treasure from the people, and in this way they increase their influence over the peoples who lived there. Therefore, they are used to have frequent battles or frequent wars between them. Okay. So these are the things means told in this point. I think you students understand. So you should listen this video and wrote down these points.